Hey everybody, Miley Kakis with Coldwell Banker Realty here in beautiful Howard County, Maryland. And today I'll be talking about what not to do after applying for mortgage. Once you have chosen the perfect house and you applied for mortgage, here are the few key things you need to keep in mind before you close. Without a question, you are so excited about the chance to decorate your new house, but before you make any big investments or move your money around or make any major life changes, contact your lender, someone who is trained to advise you how your financial choices will influence your home loan. Here's a list of things you should not do when filing for a mortgage. They're all important to know or only nice reminders about the process. Number 1, don't deposit cash into your bank accounts before talking to your bank or lender. So it's all down to the paperwork. Every loan officer will require various types of documentation. Any of the records that you can have at the ready, let's say in case it's needed, include the canceled check that has been deposited, a letter from the person, let's say, who gave you money, just to justify if it's a prepayment present to show lender. Also, copy of the ad you put to market a high-ticket object like a motorcycle. Lenders need to source the money back, and cash isn't easily traceable. Before you deposit some amount of cash into your accounts, clarify how to record your expenses with your loan officer. Number 2, don't cosign other loans to others. Cosigner is someone who files for a loan for another person and legally agrees to pay off their mortgage if sole creditor is unable to afford the payment. So when you cosign the loan for friends or family members, then you are obligated to pay that loan if friend or family member stops paying. And even if you guarantee to your lender that you are not going to pay the installments, the lender will have to count the payments against you. Number 3, don't make any big investments like a new car or a new home. So new home furniture for your new home. So don't buy furniture, don't buy car, because new debt comes with new monthly liabilities and new obligations are generating new qualifications. People with new loans have higher debt-to-income rates, and higher ratios makes for riskier loans, and often qualifying borrowers are no longer eligible. Number 4, don't apply for new loans. It doesn't matter whether it's a new credit card or a new car. When your credit report is managed by companies on various financial platforms, mortgage, credit card, vehicle, your score will be influenced. Lower credit score will decide your interest rate and potentially your eligibility for approval. Number 5, don't change your bank accounts. Many lenders will ask for your bank account, checking, and savings for the past 2 months as you apply for mortgage to purchase a home. And the main reason is to check if you have the required funds for down payment and closing costs. Also, lenders need to track your assets. This job is simpler when there is continuity between your accounts. So talk to your loan officer before you move any funds. Number 6, don't close any credit accounts. Many consumers claim that getting less available credit makes them less risky and more likely to be accepted. And it's false. A main aspect of your ranking is your length and breadth of credit history, as opposed to just your payment history, and the cumulative use of credit as a percentage of total credit. So closing accounts has a negative effect on all of the determinants of the ranking. Any change in revenue savings or credit should be checked and implemented in such a manner as to ensure that the home loan will still be accepted. Let's say your work or career status change. Share that with your lender as well, because the best strategy is to thoroughly consult and clarify your plans with your loan officer before you do anything of financial sort. If you need an assistant, I would love to introduce you to a few awesome lenders who can help you make the dream of home ownership a reality. Contact me today at 443-850-9968, and I would love to make an introduction.